Alright guys, so good morning. Today is January 1st of 2019 and I just want to wish everyone, all of you guys, a happy new year. I hope your new year is filled with happiness and prosperity and all those great things. You know, we have come a long way since 2018 on our main channel and on our other channel, our little Jamaican Debbie Debs. We have come a long way so far. We have made it from, I think, yes, we are at 40k, 40,000, near 40,000 right now on the main channel, and on Debbie Debs we are at 3,000, nearly 4, and we are so grateful and want to say thank you so much for all of the love and support you have given us throughout 2018 all the way to now. You guys are always there for us no matter whatever we do. You're always there to support what we post for you. We always try to put out the best, what we think is the best and what's the best for you guys. And you guys always come back with your positivity and, you know, just all that love. We always see all the love in the comments that you guys always share. You know, yes, there's sometimes negativity, but the positivity always overpours the negativity. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for that. It's been a great year for both me and my mom. It's been a great year. It's been a great year for you guys. And I hope you guys just, you know, continue to spread the love and the joy and all that good stuff. That's my puppy, by the way. Don't mind that. But I hope you guys continue to just, you know, spread the love and the joy in this year, upcoming year. And I hope you guys just continue to do good, because that's the best that we can do now. So as I said before, Happy New Year. You guys have a great New Year and make the best of it. Some things might be rough, some things might be tough, some things might be hard to do, but we have to make the best of it, because that's what we have to do in life. We have to just make the best of stuff and try to fit in and try to do our best and get something good out of it. So again, Happy New Year guys. Hope you guys have a great New Year, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video that we post. After this will be part 2 of our New Year's dinner and breakfast. So bye guys.